In this video, I will show you how to fix Meta Quest, aka Oculus Quest, controller drift problem when all other repair methods fail to work. Past year, I have tried many different methods to fix the Quest controller drift problem. I have tried contact cleaner spray, sensor cleaner spray, and compressed air to fix the issue, and they worked in the beginning, but after 1 year, these methods no longer working. To apply this fix, you need a small watercolor paintbrush, rubbing alcohol, and a small flathead screwdriver. I have affiliated link to the items I used in the video description below. First, take off the battery cover. Then, remove the battery. Next, remove the faceplate. Just use a small flathead screwdriver. Slowly go around the faceplate edges. Try to pop the faceplate off. Do it slowly. You do not want to stick the screwdriver too deeply under the faceplate. Next, remove the joystick top. Once joystick top removed, use a small paintbrush dipped in rubbing alcohol, then apply the rubbing alcohol around the base of the joystick. Then move the joystick around and press the center of the joystick to allow the rubbing alcohol flow underneath the joystick base. Repeat the steps of applying the rubbing alcohol until you hear liquid inside the joystick base. Can you hear the differences? You have completed the Quest controller cleaning. Now shake the controller dry. Then put everything back. You must wait 1 hour for the controller to be completely dry before inserting the battery. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.